Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A 4-star Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 8th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 1-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, and this one is the 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 6561. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time for solving the puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So it's divided. Let me see which number I can pick. Well, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next though, the 2 place left with 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 4. Okay. Yeah. 5 5 5 5 5. 2. Yeah, no, we have a 2 already. Oh, we have 4 2s. Well, surprising. 2 2 2. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. Interesting. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. 5 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 5 6. 4 4 4. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this row. So no 6 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 4, 6 and a 4. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, need a 6 and a 5. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. Okay, so the other 3 should be the 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Here we need a 2. There we need a 2. Well, 3 missing numbers here. Here we have 1, 5, 9. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. Let me mark those. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 562, 562, 562. Okay, so the other three missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 1, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 149, 149. Let me mark those. 149. So the others should be, yeah, 7 is missing in this big square. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7 in this row, no 7 in those three boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 7, 2 as a pair, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. So one digit left in this big square. 149. I believe the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left with 3 should be there. So these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 1, 6, 1, no, we have a 6, 1, 7, 179, 179, 179, 179, okay. Alright, 7, 7, 7, 2, need a 2 here, 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column be 3, only 2 places left with 3, could be here, could be there, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left with 7, could be here, could be there, I need a 9 here, 2, 2, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2 in the last row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes. Here in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 as a pair. 5 and a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 7, 2, 5. Think. 5, 3, 2, 1, 4. I need a 4 here. Let me put some numbers. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers. 2 of those, no, one of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. Only place left with 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this column, the 4, the 5, and the 9 are missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be a 4, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left, okay. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, now only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Well, here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 5 and a 9. 6, 5, 9. 6, 5, 9. Well, we have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 5 could be everywhere. 1, 5, 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Yeah, we have a pair. Yeah. But the 9. Alright. 1 and a 6. 1, 6. 5 and a 6. Another 8. 8 here. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 and a 3, we have 8 now in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with 3, we have a 3 now in the third row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So we have 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3, could be here, could be there. We have all the ones. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Come on, 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. Yeah, can it be 6? Can it be 6? Could be 6. Could be 6. Yeah. 4, 4. 4 in the first row. Oh wait, we have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in the first row, the 2 and the 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, 2 there. What the 7? 7 here. Need a 7 there also. Here. Need a 7 here. 1, 4, 9, 4, 9, and a 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in the first column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2 and 3. No. We have a 2. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing here. Okay, now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers. Oh no. I've marked those 2 boxes. Oh wait. Here we have a 5 and a 6. The other should be 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about these two missing numbers in the first column? The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing, and the final number in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for a 4 stars Sudoku, I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Oh wait, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now it's completed. Yes. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.